Hey guys, and welcome back. So a lot of time you want to connect your social media with your Shopify account, and for that reason I'm going to be showing you how to connect Shopify with your Instagram or Instagram feed. So you do have a couple of applications for that. You can search in here for like for example Instagram, and you can see, let me just show you if you have Instagram Reels or whatsoever. So you can see we have multiple different applications going to be available for this stuff. So what I suggest is you use the official Insta feed and click on install. And now once it is going to be installed onto your Shopify, it is going to be asking you for your permission. Now you simply need to sign into Instagram, and boom, you allow it from your online store. It is going to be showing up. So let me show you how it works. I'm going to be searching in here for a username. Let me just type in here. Alright, so we can save and continue. Now just wait for a couple of seconds and we will get our post and everything ready to be shown. You can see we have the type of layout that we want to show, either grid or slider. We can go with maybe slider one. And yeah, so I'm going to be clicking on next. It asking for design, click on next, highlights. So we have, yeah, so it does come with a paid plan, and we can continue with limited features as well. And yeah, so now our account is connected. We can head over to our account now to see what it is going to be showing you. So click on preview page, or you can simply check your store out. For now we need to simply modify it, so go back and click on online store. We need to modify this, use this customize option. And yeah, so just hold on a bit until it loads up. So you should be able to add in here your on store, or basically your Instagram feed. You can see this is how it currently looks, and this is from my Instagram. Now I'm going to be heading over to the front end section, and finally this is how you can connect your Shopify with your Instagram. You can see these posts right away on Instagram. And yeah, so I hope this helps. See you guys around in the next video.